Hey Lions! If your day had a color, bronze, silver, or gold, what is it right now? Today we're learning a simple map for your day, not to judge you, but to see where you are so you can move toward gold, toward your best self. By the end, you'll be able to name your zone in under a minute, know what the GoldZone Cycle means, and choose one tiny step that moves you closer. Are you stuck? Working hard but still broke and confused? Trying to feel confident but caught in FOMO and scroll mode? We were all told the American dream looked like this: go to college, get a job, buy a house, retire comfortably. That used to work. Now it leads to student debt, dead-end jobs, financial stress, and 60% of Gen Z feel lost about their future. We need a different plan. One that actually leads to freedom, clarity, and purpose. Meet Stuck. He looks like reality, but he's the voice that keeps you small, safe, and stuck. Stuck says, what if I fail? LionUP says, what if I succeed? But here's the truth. Stuck lies. Every time you choose to lion up instead of listening to Stuck, you take one step closer to your gold zone. Stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Here, we lion up, one tiny win at a time. We move from bronze to silver to the gold zone. We build self-mastery, career clarity, and money confidence to live independently. You have one life. Live it on your terms, not anyone else's. Let's begin. I'm Yakira Yedidia, your independence guide, the creator of LionUP and the GoldZone Cycle. Want to escape stuck? Subscribe, follow, share this with a friend, and grab the independence quiz in the description. Understanding the GoldZone Cycle. LionUP means taking the wheel. One small action you take to move toward the gold zone, your best self, when you're in flow and you feel good. This isn't a diagnosis or a label, just a map so you can say, oh, this is where I am, and then choose one small step forward. So we have the bronze zone. That's system in freeze. Scrolling, hiding, everything feels too much. Silver zone, busy autopilot, active but not moving life forward. Gold zone, that's your best self, when you're in flow and you feel good. So let's talk about the bronze zone. Picture a morning. The alarm goes off. You look at your phone. 45 minutes vanish into videos you won't remember. When you finally sit up, your chest is tight. Everything feels heavy. That's bronze. Your system is in freeze. You might be scrolling, hiding, or doing nothing because everything feels like too much. It's not laziness. It's a body trying to protect you. Silver, that's your autopilot. Another day. You're doing a lot. Emails, checking boxes, tidying your desktop, making the perfect plan. You're active. But if you're honest, the things that move your life forward aren't happening. That's silver. That's the silver zone. Busy, autopilot. It looks fine on the outside, but on the inside, you feel numb or annoyed. You're moving, but not progressing. Gold equals small action toward your best self. Then there are moments, sometimes tiny, when you do the next true step, the step that aligns with who you are. You send that message, you open the document, you apply to one thing, you take the 2-minute start. That's gold. Not flashy, not perfect, moving. These small actions create momentum and build trust with yourself. A real story from silver to gold. So here's the problem. Someone I'll call M told me, I'm always planning. I make calendars and rules and then I ghost them. That's a silver sentence. The gold move? We made a move so small it felt silly. At 3 p.m., put on shoes and step outside for 2 minutes. No workout, no 10,000 steps. Just put your shoes on and step outside. Day 1, 2 minutes outside, came back in. Day 2, 2 minutes became 5 minutes. Day 3, I walked around the block and emailed my teacher the project idea. That's not a miracle. That's a person noticing silver and stepping into gold by one notch. Gold isn't a mood. Gold is a mindset. Here's something that helps when I'm tempted to wait for the right feeling. LionUP is a move. It's about taking action. I can be tired and still send a kind 2-sentence email. I can be nervous and still open a file and write a messy first line, right? The move happens before the feeling. The mood often follows. Your daily check-in system. How do you use this today without turning it into homework? Keep it light. 1. Ask yourself, which zone am I in most right now? Bronze, silver, or gold? 2. Write bronze, silver, gold on a small sticky note and circle 1. 3. Night check. Repeat the same process before bed. Remember, no grades, no shame, no charts. This is not a productivity contest. It's breathing room. Moving between zones. Between those 2 check-ins, you'll have little chances to move 1 notch. From bronze, if you want to move from bronze to silver, reset. 3 slow breaths. Write 1 line about the next step. Stand and stretch. Then take a 2-minute action. From silver, if you find yourself in silver, stop polishing the plan and do the smallest piece. Send the first message. Look up the 1 link. Save the file with a name. If you're in gold, celebrate quietly. Mark a tiny check somewhere you can see. Let your brain notice. I'm someone who starts. I'm someone who's moving. Your gold moment. You don't need to become a new person this week. You just need to recognize where you are. Pick a smaller move than you think counts and do it kindly. Gold isn't loud. Gold is honest. And the more times you choose it, the more your body learns we're safe to move. Before we stop today, say it out loud just once. I don't have to feel ready. I just need 1 true step. That's gold talking. Under the skin, we're all lions. When a young lion leaves the pride, it's not because it's ready to do everything. It's because it's ready to learn. I'm Yakira Yedidia, your independence guide. Remember, stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Be kind, be brave, lion up.
Are you stuck?
Come on!